Hi, I'm James, and today I will walk you through easy steps to install your FireX alarm. First thing to note is that our packaging is color-coded. Red indicates a smoke alarm. Purple indicates a combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. Now let's get started. Start off by unboxing your alarm and reviewing the user guide included in the box. Materials you'll find included are the mounting bracket, installation screws, and a pre-installed dust cover for the alarm. All hardwired models will also include an AC wiring harness. It's very important that the dust cover does not get removed until all construction in a new build or renovation environment is complete. You want to wait at least 24 hours after work ends and the space where you're installing the alarm has been thoroughly cleaned. The dust cover protects the sensor from drywall dust and debris entering the alarm. Dust is the #1 cause of nuisance alarms. Also, before getting started, you should write the installation date on the alarm along with the replacement date. Check the user guide for more information. If the alarm you purchased is a hardwired alarm, begin by turning off the power to the circuit you're using. All the alarms include a mounting bracket. Before installing, be sure to review the recommended locations in the user guide. When choosing an installation location, please make sure the alarm is at least 3 feet away from fans, AC returns, and fluorescent lighting. Placing devices near those locations can increase exposure to dust and debris. For hardwired alarms, always follow the wiring requirements outlined in the user guide. Connect the included AC wiring harness to the home's wiring as directed in the instructions. If you're replacing an existing Kidde device, a Kidde Quick Connect adapter may be available to eliminate the need for rewiring. Pull the wiring harness through the center hole in the mounting bracket. Then secure the mounting bracket to the electrical box using screws. The A-line on the alarm mounting bracket should be parallel to the hallway or wall for aesthetic alignment. Ensure the mounting screws are positioned in the small ends of the keyholes before tightening. Make sure not to over-tighten. Next, for hardwired alarms with AA battery backup, ensure the battery door on the alarm is closed and pull the battery tab on the back of the device to activate before installation or turning on AC power. If you pull the tab after energizing the alarm, it will give a false low battery chirp every 60 seconds. If the alarm has voice alerts, it will chirp and say activate battery. Now, connect the wire harness to the alarm, making sure that the connector snaps into place. Push the excess wire back into the electrical box through the hole in the center of the mounting bracket. Twist and click the alarm into place on the mounting bracket by rotating the alarm clockwise until secure. If your alarm has a 10-year battery, the internal battery will self-activate with a confirmation beep when the alarm is secured to the mounting bracket. For 5-inch alarms, normal operation or standby mode is indicated by a steady green LED light for hardwired alarms. As a reminder, avoid any potential false alarms by ensuring that the dust cover is secure until at least 24 hours after construction and cleanup has been completed. If the dust cover was removed prior to cleanup or during construction, the device will need to be cleaned. Let's walk through how to clean an alarm. Use compressed air or a vacuum with a soft brush to clear openings. Wipe the exterior with a dry cloth. Do not use water or cleaners. If the alarm continues to chirp 3 times every 60 seconds, the alarm still needs cleaning. Alarms can be tested for inspection without removing the dust cover by simply pressing the test button on the device with the cover on. Dust entering the sensor is actually the #1 cause of nuisance alarms. It's important to test your alarm weekly by pressing and releasing the center button on the alarm. Since the alarm is very loud, you'll want to stand about 2.5 feet away from the alarm during testing or use ear protection. By the way, if you have interconnected alarms, whether hardwired or through wire-free interconnect, all alarms will sound in the home in the case of an event. In the event all alarms go off in the home, to find the initiating device, look for the alarm that is blinking red. Once you find the initiating device, press the hush button to hush the entire network of interconnected alarms. If you experience a nuisance or false alarm, here's a few tips to troubleshoot. Press the hush test button to try silencing the alarm. Clean openings on the alarm using compressed air or a vacuum. Now that alarm has been cleaned, press the hush test button to test the functionality of the alarm. Nuisance alarms can happen for a variety of reasons. If the alarm chirps 3 short chirps every minute, the alarm still needs cleaning. Blow out the alarm using compressed air or a vacuum, and then press the hush test button to clear. If it chirps once per minute with amber light flashing every 6 seconds, the alarm is running only on battery power because the AC connection is either not fully engaged or it was connected before pulling the activation tab. Turn off power at the breaker, reinstall the alarm, restore power, and then push hush test on the alarm to reset. If the device alarms continuously, it may indicate smoke or dust inside the alarm. Ventilate the area, clean the alarm, or relocate it if it is near an HVAC vent or strong airflow. Be sure to always refer to the user guide for more information. Now, go about your day knowing that Kidde has your home safety under control and experience the power to protect.